Okay, students, now we are going to solve some previous year questions. These questions belongs to Neet, JE Mains and JE Advance. Okay, so this is helpful for all the three aspiring students. Okay, so initially we will have some easy questions. Slowly, difficult questions we will be discussing, and those questions will be explained with the highest possible detailed explanation, and wherever tricks are there, topic need to be explained, that all topic questions will be discussed. Okay, so let's start one by one. Okay, here are the first questions. These are some easy Neet questions. In the Neet also easy. Okay, so first of all we have to identify moderately strong oxidizing agent. Which of the following does not show? In which of the following it does not show the oxidizing properties? Okay, that means it should not change anybody's oxidation number. Okay, see here the oxidation number is 0, so here it is +2. So changing. Sulfur 0 and +4 changing. Copper 0 +4 changing. Okay. So there is no change in the oxidation number of calcium. So answer will be D. Why D answer and how to approach now it is clear. Then the pair of compound that can exist. That can exist means they can exist together when both are oxidizing agent, when both are oxidizing agent, or when both are reducing agent. Okay, when both are oxidizing agent or both are reducing agent. See here, iron is at highest oxidation state, tin is at lowest oxidation state. So there are chances of reaction. Here it is at higher and here it is at the lower, and here it is at the lower and here also it is at the lower. Therefore, C answer. So if both lower also no problem, both higher also no problem. Here both lower, that's why they will not react with each other. Hence, there is no reaction. We can keep it together. Okay. The strategy to solve the question now I think it is clear. Now let's go to the next question. Slowly we will do the advanced level question also, matrix match, integer type, like that. So try to be very fast to answer. Okay. So here two reactions are given. Here two reactions are given and you have to identify about that reaction. This is the question. Role of hydrogen peroxide in the above reaction respectively. In this reaction H2O2 is what? In this reaction H2O2 is what? That is what the question is. Okay. Okay, here. So role of hydrogen peroxide. So here actually you have to check the other element oxidation number. Okay. So simply you can check here it is +1 to 0. Okay. Because of this it is undergoing reduction. And you can check here with the oxygen also. H2O is combining and forming as H2O. Here also H2O. Okay. So once itself is reducing, simply what it will reducing agent. Okay. So the role of the hydrogen, hydrogen peroxide in both is reducing only, because it is itself is undergoing from -1 to 0, -1 to 0. Okay. This H2O is due to the other part of it. H2O is due to other part of it. Okay. So once it is undergoing reducing, that means it is oxidizing. Oxidizing will be from -1 to 0, oxidizing from -1 to 0. The element which is undergoing oxidation itself will act as a oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Okay. Next, in acidic medium, H2O2 changes Cr2O7 2 CrO5. So this is a butterfly structure. This is which structure? Butterfly structure. See here, this is the peroxy linkage. This I have explained in our Redox video lecture. Those who could not gone through, kindly go through it. Okay. Because there is no use if you directly solve the questions. Okay. So here the total positive charge on this will be +4 from the peroxy and +2 from the oxide. So total oxidation number will be +6. C option is correct. C option is correct. Okay. Okay, next question, Cl2 react with. Here main thing you have to see, there are two types of reaction in 17th group. It belongs to 17th group, but it is related to redox reaction we are discussing here also. Hot and concentrated, dilute, cold and dilute. There are two cases. Here they want that reaction between the hot and concentrated. Hot and concentrated, what will be the oxidation number of chlorine changes from, okay. So that means reaction you should write like this, Cl2 plus NaOH, and this will be from what? This will be hot and concentrated. Okay, this is hot and concentrated. Then you have to find out. So for your easiness, I am writing the products here. NaCl, when it is hot and concentrated, this product will change. This product will be NaClO3 plus H2O plus what? H2O. Okay. So this is the answer. Here you will find oxidation number +5. Here you will find oxidation number -1. So initially it is in elementary state. So it will be from 0 to -1 and +5. 0 to -1 and +5. So B option is correct. B option is correct. Okay. Note down. Now let's see the next part. Okay, next question is oxidation number of phosphorus. Oxidation number of phosphorus and sulfur in. Okay, chromium in. So phosphorus will be +5, sulfur will be +6, and chromium again it will be +6. So which option is correct? +5, +6, and +6. Okay, oxidation numbers of PO4 3 minus. Okay, here the phosphorus oxidation number in the PO4 will be +5. Okay, sulfur will in the POSO4 2 negative will be +6. Chromium will be +6. So answer will be D. Okay, and MnO4 required to oxidize 1 mole of ferrous oxalate. So ferrous means Fe+2. Oxalate means C2O4. Okay. So listen very carefully. This type of question more frequently they are asking, but somewhat complicated. So this iron will be changing from the +2 to the +3. Okay. And C2O4 will be changing from C2 to CO2. Okay. So I am using the other color so that you can understand it easily. Here the change in oxidation number from iron is +1 2 to +3 1. Okay, 1 increased by 1. And if you check the carbon oxidation number, here it is +3 and here it is +4. So it is increasing by 2. Okay, each carbon increasing by 1 like the 2 carbons. Okay, so for each and every FeC2O4, how many? 3 electrons. How many electron? 3 electron. Now, when you check out with the moles required to oxidize 1 mole of, okay, in acidic medium, in which medium? In acidic medium. Acidic medium, MnO4 minus converted itself to the Mn+2. So +7 to +2, therefore 5. Okay. So 5, and it is required is ferrous to ferric. Answer, I think on calculation, iron is manganese is ready to give 5 electron, but ferrous oxalate is ready to take only 3 electron. Okay, how many electron? 3 electron. Understood? So answer will be plus 0.6. What will be the answer? 0.6, I think. Okay, answer will be 0.6. Let us see the next part. Okay, next. Which is the best description behavior of bromine in the reaction given below? Okay, so bromine, what it is doing? See, bromine is converted into HOBr, bromine is converting into HBr. So when you check here, bromine is oxidation number is +1. Here bromine oxidation number is -1. Okay. So then the best description will be both oxidized and reduced. Okay. In HOBr, bromine oxidation number is +5 oxidation. In HBr, bromine oxidation number is -1. Therefore, it is reduced. Okay. Then the oxidation state of sulfur in SO4 3 minus, S2O4 2 minus, S2O6 2 minus. Okay. So this is, you have to find out the oxidation number in all state. So if you find out in SO3 2 minus, SO3 2 minus, it will be +2. I am writing here itself. Here I will write. Okay. Sorry, it will be +4. Okay. And in the S4O6 2 minus S2O4, S2O4 it will be +3. S2O4 it will be +3. S2O6 2 negative. S2O6 2 negative, it will be +5. So highest answer, highest will be in S2O6. Then second highest is SO3 2 negative, and lowest is S2O4 2 negative. So answer will be A. What is the answer? Answer is A. Okay, now let us see the next question. Which of the following is redox reaction? That means there should be change in oxidation number in one or two reactants. Okay. If at least two substances, one must be oxidized, another must be reduced, then only this redox reaction will be taking place. Okay. So evaporation of H2O, oxidation and reduction. Okay. H2SO4 with NaOH, atmosphere from O2 by lighting. Okay, these are the questions. Okay, see here it is in the name itself. Redox reaction, that means which can undergo reduction and oxidation. Both must be included, then only it will be redox reaction. Okay, then oxide which cannot act as a reducing agent. So once it must be a reducing agent, okay, once it has to be reducing agent, it should undergo oxidation. Okay, the substance or element which cannot oxidize itself, then it cannot act as a reducing agent. Okay, hint, I think it is clear to all of you. Okay, see, let us see how to approach. Here this carbon is at +4 oxidation state. So once it cannot further oxidize, because already it is at highest oxidation state, therefore it cannot act as a reducing agent. It cannot act as what? Reducing agent. Okay. So this is what the answers. Now let us see the next question. Next set of questions. Okay. Two questions. The following substance serving in the reducing agent, serving as a reducing agent. Okay. Which substance is a reducing agent in the following reaction? Okay. Simple. Reducing agent, that means it should undergo oxidation. It should undergo what? Oxidation. Oxidation means oxidation number should increase. Okay. Oxidation number, what it should do? It should increase. Okay. So here very simple, nickel oxidation number is from 0, it is changing to +2, and chromium is changing from +6 to +3. So chromium undergoing reduction, nickel undergoing oxidation. So the substance which is undergoing oxidation will act as a reducing agent. So D option is correct. Okay. And most frequently asked question, oxidation state of iodine in HiO4. Okay. It is at the highest oxidation state of +7. What is the answer? Answer is +7. Okay. Okay, now we have discussed some neat questions, easy questions. Now we are going to shift somewhat difficult question. Not much difficult, they are simple only. If you learn, it is simple. Okay. Now reduction of metal center in aqueous permanganate ion involves. Okay. Reduction of metal in aqueous permanganate. Okay. Question clear, read carefully. Read the question carefully, understanding only problem. Okay, here it is an advanced question. So more than one correct are possible. Understood? KMNO4. What is the question is about? It is about the KMNO4. So I will write the tricks here, but how to remember and all already I have explained. Metal center means manganese. Okay, and it can undergo. Presently, it is at the +7 oxidation number. It can reduce up to +2. Okay, and it can reduce up to +4, and it can reduce up to +6. Okay, so this is acid, and this is neutral, and this is base. Okay, so 7 to 2, that means 5 electron in acidic medium. 5 electron in acidic medium, it is correct. Okay, and this is basic medium is also called as a alkaline medium. Basic medium also called as what? Alkaline medium. In alkaline medium, only 1 electron. In neutral medium, 3 electrons. Neutral medium, 3 electrons. So A is also correct and D is also correct. Okay. Now very important question. Next, this is also more than one correct. So answer accordingly. Answer accordingly. Here equilibrium. This is at the +1 oxidation state. This is at the +2 oxidation state. This is at the 0 oxidation state. In aqueous medium, shifts towards left in presence of. In this direction, when it will shift. Okay, when this it will shift. Is it understood? Answers are B, C, and D. Okay, why? Because they will form the they will form what? Complexes. They will form complexes. What are the complexes? Cu, Cn4. Cu, Cn4, 3 minus. Okay, and same way Cu, SCN. Cu, SCN. These are called as a pseudo halide. Already I told you halides, and these are the pseudo halide. That's why I'm writing it here. PO4 3 minus. Understood? So because of this reaction, the equilibrium will shift in the backward direction. Equilibrium shift in the backward direction. Note down this, very important. Okay. Complex formation causes the equilibrium to shift in the backward direction. Okay. Now let us see the next question. For the reaction I minus plus ClO3 minus plus H2SO4 gives Cl minus plus HSO4 plus I2. Balanced equation R. In the balanced equation what? We have to find out coefficient are something like this, which is oxidized, which is reduced, we have to identify. Okay. Okay, so I have written here balanced equation. Understood? So that you can understand and answer correctly. Stoichiometric coefficient of HSO4 minus is 6. Therefore, it is correct. And currently it is at -1 oxidation state, it is 0. So correct. Sulfur is reduced. No, it is +6 here also, +6 here also. It is wrong. H2O is one of the product. Once balancing is done, for balancing of the hydrogen, we will write 3H2O. Therefore, A, B, and D are correct. What are correct? A, B, and D are correct options. Okay. I think all of you understood now. Now let's see the next part. Which of the following reaction is an example of redox reaction? Example of redox reaction. This is a mains question. So you should identify which element is undergoing oxidation. Both two elements should undergo oxidation and reduction. Okay. Try yourself and I will tell the trick. Okay, here two elements. Redox means both reduction must also happen and oxidation must also happen. and it is happening in the option B. Okay. Here xenon oxidation number is +4. After the reaction it is +6. And O2F2, in the O2F2 oxygen is at the +1 oxidation state. Here it is at the 0 oxidation state. Okay. Oxygen is undergoing reduction, xenon undergoing oxidation, therefore B option is correct. In O2F2, fluorine will be negative, oxygen will be positive, therefore B option is correct. Okay. Now after this, what all of you will do, take a screenshot of whatever tricks I am writing, that you should be able to maintain. Now next question is updated here fast. Oxidation number of chromium in CrH2O6Cl3 dot CrC6H6 twice in these. All the three oxidation number you have to find out and arrange them in chronological. Main problem you will face it here. Okay. Here people are facing the problem. O twice is what and O2 twice is what. Okay. So if you are already done in the coordination compound, then there is no problem. Otherwise only problem is there. Okay. Cn twice, O2 and O2 separately it is written because their oxidation numbers are different. Otherwise you can manage with the first two, then it is okay. Understood? So I am revealing the answer. Answer is D. Okay. What is the answer? Answer is D. +3 in the first one because of the 3-chlorine, 0 because it is a homoleptic benzene, dichromobenzene. Okay. What is the hepticity? There is a called as hepticity. Okay. So if you wanted to complete details about the hepticity in the coordination compound, type which chem hepticity. You will get that lecture. Okay. Hepticity lecture. Okay. How to find out hepticity and how to find out EAN, effective atomic number. In this type of compound, there are two lectures, smart, short lectures. You can understand through that. And here oxidation number of, here it is +6. How much it is? +6. Okay. See here it is -1 into 2. Okay. Plus chromium we wanted to find out. And 1 into -2. This is peroxide, this is oxide. So here it is -2 into 2, here it is -1 into 2, and it is already 0. Like that you can find out the chromium. Okay, because of the K plus, the total answer must be -2. So I told you all oxidation number, if you substitute and find out, answer will be D. What will be the answer? D will be the answer. Next, in order to oxidize mixture of FeC2O4, Fe2C2O4 thrice, FeSO4 and Fe2SO4 thrice, the number of moles of KMNO4 required is, okay, actually here 1 mole of each. This how many required, this how much required. Here iron will also be oxidized, C2O4 will be oxidized. Already I told you 3. Okay, and here no, only here how many C2O4 will be oxidized? 3. So 3 into 2, it will be 6. Here iron will be oxidized, so it will be 1. Like that you have to calculate. Here it is already nothing is required for this one. Okay, so 6 plus 1 plus 3, how much it will be? 10. So 10 means in acidic medium it will be 2 moles. So each KMNO4 releases 2 electron. Therefore, 5 electron. For 10 electron, it have to take in 2 electrons or 2 moles. Okay. Note down this. Okay, here good reducing. First of all, this is information only, memory based. Quartz is a piezoelectric material. What material? Quartz is a piezoelectric material. Then it is actually here it is good reducing agent. In the H3PO2 structure, 1 P double bond O is must. And here one more oxygen is there. So one hydrogen OH and one hydrogen. Okay. So because of these two hydrogens, it is a good reducing nature. Good reducing nature is due because of the two pH bonds. Two pH bonds. Okay. Okay. Next question. Chemical nature of hydrogen peroxide. Okay. About that, these are the few options. Here two questions are there, up to here one question, and from here the another question. You can see how many number of questions are being asked. Okay. Number of questions being asked every time there are, in every phase you are getting one question. You can understand the importance of redox. Okay. Understood? This is different phases. Okay. Now start answering 10th answer. This question will be B. Okay. Oxidizing and reducing both in acidic and basic medium. Okay. Next question. Next question it is C, which does not show variable oxidation state because it contains only +3 oxidation state. Scandium shows only +3. Okay. Vanadium can show +2 as well as +3, +4 and +5. Okay. Titanium can show +2, +3. Only for additional information I am telling you. What is the reason? Only 2 electrons and 1 electron. Copper already famous. It is shows the cuprous +1, cupric +2. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Relative stability of +1 oxidation state of group 13 follows the order of. Okay, this is the inert pair effect question, but it is related to redox reaction only. In the 13th group boron family, due to inert pair effect, the aluminium less than, gallium less than, indium less than thallium. Down the group inert pair effect increases. What increases? Inert pair effect increases down the group. Okay, down the group. So boron is here, aluminum, but it is not given in the question, so you do not to worry. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. Okay, inert pair effect increases down the group, therefore +3 stability decreases, +1 stability increases. So answer will be C option. What is the answer? C option is the correct. Okay, now let's see the next question. Iodine react with concentrated HNO3 to give Y along with other products. Okay, oxidation state of iodine in Y is iodine plus HNO3. Okay, and what is the oxidation state of iodine in Y? Okay, here iodine react with concentrated HNO3. This is the reaction. And in oxidation number of iodine in HiO3 is +5. So answer is A. What is the answer? Answer is A. Now let's see the next question. Okay. So here it is a matrix match. As I told you, as I promised you, that I will give you the advanced level question also. So the next question is from the advanced matrix match, but converted into what? Simple question. Okay, here first you should check with the options. Standard reduction potentials are given. Okay, and match the following. So first of all, you have to find out E naught, Fe3 and Fe. That means oxidation and reduction. Same way H2O gives 4H plus 4 electrons plus 4 OH minus. Okay. Cu2 plus plus Cu gives Cu plus. This is a disproportionation. Same way Cr plus 3 and Cr plus 2. Okay. These values you have to find out. Match the E naught of the redox pair with the values given in the column 2. Okay, with the correct answer. If you find at least one or two correct answer, then you can solve the other part. Okay. Try to solve it and tell me the answer. This is advanced question from the 2013. 2013 was considered as most difficult exam after the 2020. 2020 is the second most difficult. Okay, here it is. We have to use the Latimer diagram. Fe plus 3 to Fe you have to find out. Fe plus 3 to Fe plus. Okay, and you are given with Fe plus 2 to Fe. So how much it is? Minus 0.44. Fe3 plus 2 Fe. Fe3 plus 2 Fe2 plus how much it is? Plus 0.77. So now we have to convert it into the delta G. Delta G is equal to delta G1 plus delta G2. Okay. So by using these values N1 and N2, after substituting you will get A answer as a 3. A answer as a 3. So these three options can be possible. Okay. But when you find out B answer is 4. So these two answers are possible. But when you find out C answer is 1. Therefore, A option is correct. Okay. This is a Latimer diagram, redox reaction based question. Okay. So note down, very important question. Now let's see the next one. Among the following number of element, okay, number of element, only non-zero oxidation number, only one oxidation number must be there, which is not 0. Like oxygen, it can show 0, -1, -1/2, +1, +2, like that, and -2 is very common. But only one oxidation number must be there other than the 0. Okay. What are the answers and what is the total answer? Okay. How many elements shows only 2 oxidation, out of which one must be 0. Okay. Here only 2 elements which shows 2 oxidation states. What are those? Like fluorine. Okay. Fluorine shows 0 and -1 only. And sodium shows 0 and +1 only. So answer is 2. What is the answer? Answer is 2. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. We wish you good luck in your examination. Keep continuing with the previous year question series and one shot series. When you are in very hurry, learn from the one shot series. Check your preparedness with the PYQ series, previous year question series. So daily watch and daily get good marks in your exams. Okay.